This is Stan Watkins. As promised, I'm going to give you a view close-up of the Berkeley Wind Rotary Trumpet. Here it is. I got the satin finish. He just sent me whatever he had on the shelf. There was a bit of an issue with the deliveries from China, and so he just sent me whatever. I would prefer silver plate just because I think it lasts longer. Doesn't sound much difference, but this is a beautiful trumpet, very beautiful. And let's get in on the valves here. Oh, excuse my pudgy fingers here. So sorry. Obviously, they work just like just like they should. They're very very good. Has a third valve throw button, lever, whatever you want to call it. You can actually, I think, adjust it to whatever length you need. There's a ring here. I have to use my pinky to hold it. If you watch Dr. Jack Burt's video, he uses his finger next to it, which would make it easier. I got a little short, stubby hands, so I have to use my pinky to hold it. But this is it. Here is the other slide, which I do recommend getting, even though it's a couple $100 more, or I don't know what. I haven't checked the prices actually. But this changes the harmonics. It allows less resistance, and you hit the key corresponding to the notes you want to hit. Once again, Dr. Burt does a way better job than I could to do on this. I don't particularly need it, so I just go ahead and use the B flat. But if I got to where I needed to hit a high note that wasn't coming out, maybe because too much resistance because of the small bore, I could hit that and relieve some of the pressure going through the horn. Let's flip it over and we'll look at the keys. Another video I recommend for Dr. Burt is the care and maintenance of a rotary trumpet, because he really goes in depth on how to oil them. You should take these off, each one very carefully. Oil on top, and then put them back on. Don't overdo them. And then you oil just basically every spring, see all this stuff here. You oil all those things, and you oil it down here where the valve, see right there on the side. You oil that area. It uses a lot of oil, a lot more than a regular piston trumpet, but the results are pretty good. And that's it. I had to shorten. I made a video earlier and I just palavered on, as I'm known to do if you ask anybody who knows me. But that's the Berkeley Wind B-flat rotary trumpet. Have a good day. Hope you consider it if you're considering a rotary trumpet. I don't think you'll be disappointed.